Another day, another Factlibrate story. Welcome to Factlibrate. Today, we will learn some amazing AI facts that are already changing our lives. Let's get started. Fact number 1. In 2022, an AI named Artisto won the International Art Competition, Art Prize. Fact number 2. There is an AI system called whale songs that uses machine learning to identify and track whale calls and hundreds of thousands of hours of audio recordings. Fact number 3. AI has been used to accurately predict Supreme Court decisions in the US with an accuracy of over 70%. Fact number 4. AI is being used to decipher long-lost languages, like Linear A and Linear B, by comparing them to known languages. Fact number 5. AI has been used to discover new antibiotics, such as the drug halicin, identified by an AI developed by MIT. Fact number 6. AI is being used to analyze and predict traffic patterns to design more efficient cities. Fact number 7. A deep learning model called DeepSqueak is used to decode rodent vocalizations. Fact number 8. An AI named Iva, artificial intelligence virtual artist, has composed classical music that made it to the charts. Fact number 9. In the realm of space exploration, AI has been used to identify exoplanets from telescope data. Fact number 10. A system called BrainGate uses AI to translate brain activity into cursor movements, enabling paralyzed individuals to control devices through thoughts. Fact number 11. A company named Promethean AI uses artificial intelligence to assist artists in creating video game art. Fact number 12. AI can detect minute structural changes in buildings or bridges to predict potential structural failures. Fact number 13. In the music industry, AI is being used to remaster old recordings into high-definition sound. Fact number 14. AI is used to generate hyper-personalized ads, targeting individual consumers based on their unique behaviors and preferences. Fact number 15. AI technology is being used to optimize energy usage in data centers, reducing energy consumption by up to 40%. Fact number 16. An AI developed by Google's DeepMind can predict the 3D shapes of proteins, which could revolutionize drug discovery. Fact number 17. AI is helping to optimize and plan for disaster response by predicting where emergency resources will be needed most. Fact number 18. AI is being used to read and understand ancient texts that are too fragile to be physically opened or unrolled. Fact number 19. AI has been used to predict the lifespan of batteries, which could significantly impact the manufacturing of electric vehicles. Fact number 20. AI is being used to optimize the planting patterns in agriculture, leading to higher crop yields. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel at Factlibrate.